So this is why the logic behind teaching you an order is that you're supposed to learn circles before you learn cylinders. So the cylinder is just the same idea, except for now you need to use the circle formulas. So if we've got a circle, so same idea here. We've got the total area is equal to the lateral area plus the area of the bases. So the bases. So the base of a circle, so the base has to be a circle because you can't stand here and say like, oh, I'm standing here and I can see across as I'm in the same shape already, right? It's a giant rectangle. If you laid up, cut your can in half and rolled it out. So this would be one of those things like if you're making pop or something or whatever, and you started your own business, you want to figure out how many label the area of the labels of all the cans or whatever, how much pricing it is per area, then you'd be able to find out the cost, put it into a formula and figure it out. All right, so area of the base. So the area of a circle is always pi times radius squared. So there's two of these things, and it's pi times radius squared. It's pretty straightforward. So the lateral area. So the lateral area is always the perimeter of the circle because all of this bottom is going to touch the circle, right? So the bottom of the rectangle of the lateral area is going to be touching all of this. So it's going to be the same thing as the circumference. So the circumference is the diameter times pi. So the lateral area is the pi times the diameter. We put that in brackets to make it clear that this is just the circumference. And then this times the height of our cylinder. So this would be the height of the cylinder. And that would give us, so this would be C, so the circumference would be the distance between here and here. The height would be the distance between here and here. So that's about it. So then if we did pi times diameter times height and plus the two bases, then that would give us the total area. Okay.